Pilot's opening pretty soon. Main valve will open. You'll hear this crazy loud noise. But that's what we're here today to replace. Actually, it sounds a lot better today. But go ahead and swap that guy out. Alright, so when I disconnected the old pilot tubing off the old gas valve, it actually sheared off. So luckily I actually had a whole nother pilot assembly from a Will McLean boiler, and I'm gonna go ahead and have it right here. This is the new same diameter for the pilot assembly, for the pilot tubing, and just in case, you know, for whatever reason this didn't work, I have a whole new kit. But that's one thing you need to keep in mind when you're disconnecting these things. You know, these pilot tubings, they get cranked down on and they get really old and brittle. And I mean, I barely moved this thing and it just sheared right off. So, and I've had it happen where I went to go loosen it and actually sheared off right there. So always good to have a spare pilot tubing in the truck. This is, I believe, this is a smaller of the two, you know, what is this, 1/8 inch or whatever. But yep, so good to have another one just in case, because you don't want to be doing a repair and then all of a sudden not have pilot tubing. So that's what I'm getting into. I already got the new valve mounted. Had some bushing, since this valve was 3/4, but the original was 1/2 inch. And yep, get the new pilot tubing installed, and then just pipe it right there. Check for gas leaks. Have some Big Blue micro leak detector, and then we'll check and measure the gas pressure, make sure that's all good, and then we should be good to go. All right, I got the gas cock open. New pilot tubing is installed. Bushings on that, and now I put piped up there, there, outside on that, and also just inside of the street 90. But go ahead and this is the one I'm really trying to see. And then once get that all situated. Alright. Let's see. I don't see any leaks. Oh, what's that? Let's see. No leaks. No leaks. Obviously, what is this? Looks like you got something there. A little tight. Don't know if that was just from me spraying crazy. Yeah, probably using a lot, but this makes me want to double check all these over here too. But I don't see any leaks. But I'm gonna get ready to turn this thing on. And I already have a call for heat. But may have to shut it off a few times. There might be some air in the line. We'll see. It's automatic. automatic vent damper. MS-17. Cycle power. Automatic vent damper. There you go, pilot. Alright. Main valve. Let's double check. No leaks. Nothing. I'm gonna double check this guy. Nope, just might have been spraying it a little bit too much. I'm gonna double check. Just based on that, I'm gonna double check. But looking good. So get that plate back on, check gas pressure, and combustion. Do a combustion analysis, and then we should be good to go. All right, and the gas valve.